Hey, this is Matt Garza again with JMR Roofing. Of course, I'm up on another roof. We're just taking a look at PT Sports and Rehab that we just did here in Marble Falls off of 1431, which was one of our busier roads here in the Hill Country. There are a lot of cars that pass by here. We had to really challenge ourselves on manipulating the schedule on this job in order to ensure that he could continue his work here and us not interfere with it as much as possible. The inside of this facility here is all open, so any noise that was made up top was really heard from the inside. We started on a Friday afternoon at 2:30 in the afternoon after closing hours for this facility, and we were done by 7 o'clock Saturday evening. It was a smooth, cut, dry job for the most part. We ended up changing the front section of this facility from a green roof to a matte black. We also had to retap the fascia wall on this entire place because it had no front head wall flashing. All of the steel here is a 24 gauge steel. We don't use anything but 24 gauge, warranty reasons. All the trim here was done in a black color. We did the black color because the customer asked that if we were doing the front in black, if we could wrap the rest of the building, which was a change order at the last minute, but we were able to get it done and completely wrap his outside face in black trim to match the front part of his facility. Thank you guys again for taking another rooftop view with me, and hopefully we'll see you on the next install. Thank you.